வருது 800 காட்டுது 004
Actually, I'm going to be talking about gearbox rotation. This we use on our tractor implements, heavy gearbox, bevel gear rotations, and we make these gearboxes for all other implements that you are manufacturing for any other purpose. And we can export these gearboxes also worldwide. And I'm showing you the gearbox that we make. It's very strong and very rugged. So here it is. So this is the gearbox. So it's made of iron pieces. These are all iron pieces, and this is the rotation. You see how smooth it is. We put the bearings, and it rotates like that. So it has the rotations. These are the bevel gears. Close over. These are the bevel gears, and it rotates like that. So it's very strongly made. All gears are hardened, and it is a very high quality gears that we make. So if anybody require gearboxes, do contact us and let me know. And here, this all the the PTO setups that we create and give you, just in case if you need. Okay, and this is the best piece that we have been making. See, this is the gear, and this is the rotation. So, and you see, this is the we put bearings, all the bearings, and it's waterproof, oil proof. You can put the oil just in case it's not heating. Okay, and thank you very much. Be in touch, and I'll put the number on the video also. You can contact us. Any gearboxes that you need, gearboxes that you need, you can manufacture and we can give you as per your requirement for any industry, including aerospace. Our precisions are 0.01 tolerance on all the gears that we manufacture. Thank you, and have a nice day, guys. Okay, bye-bye.